Welcome back to the future of content creation where artificial intelligence shapes reality, brought to you exclusively by Davil AI Matrix. By the year 2026, faceless channels have evolved into cinematic masterpieces, generating massive income streams without ever showing a human face. Today we uncover 3 exploding niches that are dominating social media platforms, utilizing advanced models that were once thought to be impossible. Prepare yourself to learn the secrets of cinematic storytelling, starting with a nostalgic yet futuristic twist on a classic internet phenomenon. Our first goldmine is the talking vegetables niche, a hyper-realistic evolution of the old annoying orange trend, now rendered in cinema quality. Gone are the days of crude animations. Now we see emotional, a high-definition produce acting out complex dramas in stunning 4K resolution. The process begins with generating creative scripts and detailed image prompts using the advanced reasoning capabilities of the new GPT-5. Next, we feed those prompts into image generators to create distinct characters, ensuring every texture on the vegetable skin looks incredibly lifelike. We utilize the specialized Nano Banana Pro model to animate facial expressions, giving these inanimate objects a soul and genuine acting ability. Finally, Sora 2 takes these assets and renders fluid movement, creating a seamless video that captures the audience's attention within seconds. The editing phase combines these clips with dynamic sound design, turning a simple concept into a viral sensation that millions watch daily. Imagine a dramatic monologue delivered by a weeping onion, where the lighting and shadows rival those of a big-budget Hollywood movie. This content works because it blends humor with high production value, keeping viewers hooked through the absurdity and the visual beauty. Now that we have mastered the art of sentient produce, let us move to a niche that satisfies the urge for transformation. The second exploding opportunity is viral transformation, focusing on rapid time-lapse videos of building construction or restoring abandoned structures to glory. Viewers love seeing progress, and AI allows us to simulate months of hard labor in just a few mesmerizing seconds. The secret sauce here involves using reference images to maintain structural consistency, ensuring the building looks the same as it gets built. Maintaining the same angle and lighting across the transformation is crucial for the illusion, making the time-lapse appear authentic and satisfying. We leverage the power of Veo 3.1 to calculate the intermediate frames between the ruin and the finished masterpiece. For the environment and background elements, Artlist AI fills in the gaps, adding realistic weather effects and changing seasons dynamically. Picture a crumbling brick house in a forest rapidly assembling itself into a modern luxury cabin while the sun sets behind it. The pacing is key, accelerating through the boring parts and slowing down for the satisfying final reveal of the completed architecture. These videos have incredible retention rates, leading to high advertising revenue and sponsorship deals from construction or home improvement brands globally. From the noise of construction, we now shift our focus to a quieter, more immersive experience that taps into primal instincts. Our third and final niche is survival ASMR, featuring virtual characters navigating wild environments with hyper-realistic audio textures. This is not just about survival, it is about relaxation, using the sounds of nature and crafting to soothe the viewer's mind. The challenge lies in keeping the character's appearance consistent across thousands of frames, which requires advanced prompting techniques and specific tools. We utilize Google Flow to manage the complex motion vectors, ensuring that every movement of the character feels heavy and grounded. To achieve this level of detail, we input complex JSON-formatted prompts, defining every parameter of the character's gear and environment. Visuals are only half the battle. The crunch of snow and the crackle of fire must be synchronized perfectly for immersion. Visualize a lone survivor building a shelter in a rainy jungle, with water droplets hitting leaves, creating a tingling audio sensation. As technology advances, these videos are becoming compatible with virtual reality headsets, placing the viewer directly inside the survival simulation. This niche attracts a massive global audience looking to escape the stress of modern life, guaranteeing loyal subscribers and high watch time. Whether it is talking vegetables, rapid construction, or silent survival, these 3 niches represent the pinnacle of automated content creation today. The tools are available and the audience is waiting for you to create the next viral empire using these powerful strategies. Start building your faceless channel today, and by 2026, You could be leading the revolution in artificial intelligence entertainment. Thank you for watching this deep dive. Don't forget to subscribe to Davil AI Matrix for more insights. Goodbye.